Keep the profits rolling in with these affiliate tips. Some affiliate marketers will ultimately fall victim to companies who promise proven methods upon sign-up. Other marketers will fail due to a lack of understanding. We could keep going on for a year here, there are just that many ways to fail. If you want to know how you can succeed, check out this video. Consider weekly or monthly prizes. Visitors will keep coming back to your site to see what the prize is. Don't forget to keep their interest by providing relevant information that they want to learn about. This is also a good way to get sign-ups to your newsletter. Tell them you will notify them about the prize through email. Once you are making a decent amount of money, you should think about asking for more money from the program that you joined. If you have proven yourself with enough sales and effective marketing, then it will be in the best interest of the program to keep you and grant you a raise. Do not fall for schemes from so-called experts in the field who want to sell you on their affiliate marketing products. Believe it or not, every single piece of information you need to know about marketing can be found free of charge from multiple places online. The only benefit of a purchase program is that it gives you the information without searching. Focus on building your content, not just your links. Without a good content strategy, you won't be successful. People aren't coming to your site to find affiliate links, they are coming for your content. Whether that's reviews, previews, or you just talking about your day, that's what they came from. Keep it up to date and keep new content coming. Post testimonials about your product or service on your website. Testimonials help to build trust, as they tend to help alleviate risk for a potential buyer. When a potential customer reads of another person's successes with your product, they will be apt to envision themselves in that person's shoes and become more likely to make the purchase. The tips you've just watched here talk about a few tips and tactics you can try in order to increase your odds of success. Any market is going to be fickle, and the highly competitive field of affiliate marketing needs a new dictionary to properly explain how it can sometimes act. Make sure you're always putting yourself in the best position by using the tips you've watched here. Student loan.